Hi children, in the previous class some numericals we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss some more numericals. These numericals which came in previous JEE mains exam. This question came in the year of 2015 JEE main. question. So this question we try to solve. I hope that you can also do very easily. So now see here, you are asked to design a shaving mirror assuming that a person keeps it 10 centimeter from his face and views the magnified image of the face at the closest comfortable distance. The radius of curvature of the mirror would then be how much? Here what are the things given to us means here three things has given to us. We have to design the shaving mirror. Second thing is the person distance from the mirror is 10 centimeter. Second thing is you want to see the magnified image, means virtual image is required. Then comfortable distance, closest comfortable distance. This is the position of the image. These three information given to us, we have to find the radius of curvature. So now first we have to know shaving mirror means which type of mirror is going to used as a shaving mirror means we know children that is the convex mirror. This is the convex mirror I have taken. This is the pole. Second thing is the person is at the 10 centimeter. Then I am going to take this is the person position. If it is the person position, this I am going to write u equals to minus 10 centimeters in front of the mirror. Second thing is you want to see magnified image at the closest comfortable distance. This you have to understand properly. What is meant by closest comfortable distance? We know that in the ray optics, when we discussed about human eye, the normal distance to see the object is 25 centimeter. If the object distance from our eye is less than to 25 centimeter, we are not able to see clearly. That's why it is called generally it is the closest point for eye. Then now I am going to say if this person want to see the image, the closest distance should be how much from him means 25. Then I am going to say where is the image sir means I am going to take image from him. This should be the 25 centimeter. Then anywhere somewhere here is there, this is the image of the person A dash B dash. Then I am going to say from here to here it is the 10, remaining V equals to 15 centimeter. If you understand this situation, you can solve the question very easily. Is it clear to you? Now you got u equal to minus 10, v equals to positive 15 because right side. Then you can find out the r directly. What's the formula you are going to use? 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 2 by r. I am not using 1 by f. If I use the 1 by f again I have to do 2 times. Then what is the required? So now I am going to use 1 by v equals to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10 equals to 2 by r. LCM 30, 15 2s are 30 minus 3 equals to 2 by r. Then it is going to becomes minus 1 by 30 equals to 2 by r. Do cross multiplication, r equals to minus 60 centimeter. Then is there any option here? Very good. See here, first option is minus 60 centimeter. So this is the answer for that question. Okay. Second question. A car is fitted with convex side view mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. A second car 2.8 meter behind the first car is overtaking the first car at the relative speed of 15 meter per second. The speed of the image of the second car as seen in the first mirror is. So now please try to understand the question. That meaning of the question is two cars are traveling. For example, I am going to take, this is the one car traveling, this is the second car traveling. Now in the rear view mirror, side view mirror means we are going to use convex mirror. So now this car is overtaking the first car with how much speed? 15 meter per second. Then we have to calculate speed of the image. This image speed in this mirror we have to calculate. Rear view mirror means you are going to use the mirror is the formula we know. Sir, this is the convex mirror, this is the first car mirror. Here car is coming, second car is coming with speed. What is the speed? 15 meter per second speed. And the position, where is this position means it is given that 2.8 meter. 2.8 meter means I am going to write u equals to minus 280 centimeter. Clear, children? So now then what is the velocity of image? This we have to calculate. Then I am going to write here distance of object. Distance of object u equals to minus 280 centimeter. Velocity of an object we are going to take u naught. The previous I have given one formula, please see this lecture. U naught equals to 15 meter per second. U naught we have taken speed of the object. What we have to calculate? Velocity of image we have to calculate. This is the v naught equals to question mark. Then any relation is there like this or means there is no direct relation. We have to do by using this method. 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. It implies already we know the formula v equals to fu by u minus f. What is meant by v? V means position of image, u means position of object. Change in position of image with respect to time is called velocity. Then if you do differentiation this one with respect to time, you are going to get dv by dt equals to f is the common. Already this formula we derived in the previous lecture. Please see that one. F into, you are going to get u minus f whole square, u minus f into du by dt minus u into d by dt of u minus f. Then if you are going to do this one, f into u minus f du by dt, change in position of object is called velocity of the object u naught, minus u into du by dt into u naught, d by dt of f is the 0 because focal length is a constant, divided by u minus f whole square. Then if you are going to do this one, you are going to get dv by dt, velocity of image equals to f into, observe here children, u into u naught minus u into u naught get be cancelled, then minus f u naught divided by u minus f whole square. So please substitute the values, you are going to get the answer. dv by dt equal to velocity of image, dv by dt equals to minus, what is the value of f? Focal length is given to us. Focal length is how much given? 20. This is the convex, positive side, f equals to plus 20. Then I am writing here 20 into 20 because f square. U naught means speed of object. Speed of object is how much children? Into 15 divided by u is minus 280 minus focal length is the 20 whole square. It means minus 20 into 15 by minus 280 minus 20 minus 300. Minus 300 into minus 300. You are going to write, then you are going to get 0, 0, 3 zeros can be cancelled. Then I am going to say 2 ones are 2 150s are 15 ones are 15 ones are 0, then 2 ones are 2 5s are. Answer is minus minus get be cancelled, otherwise you are going to get 1 by 15 meter per second. May you will get here 1 is the minus, but what is meant by minus means image is coming opposite direction of the object. Is there, see the option anywhere 1 by 15 meter per second means here it is, the answer is B, 15 meter per second. So this is the one more question from IIT JEE mains exam. I hope you understood this question. So we will discuss more questions the next time. Thank you.